There are two topics we're going to talk about. The first is the theory behind zero trust, understanding federal zero trust straight from the source. And the second topic is, the reality, the implementation of zero trust. So jumping into the first topic, the theory, this question to you, Scott Rose. You're one of the authors of NIST 800-207, Zero Trust Architecture. Can you tell us briefly what problem Zero Trust is trying to solve and what are the main goals?
Zero trust is kind of a new paradigm of how you want to look at enterprise security. Basically, it's taking a lot of the trends that we saw kind of going, emerging over the last 10 years or so and kind of building them together and layering them together to kind of solve what you kind of see as like kind of the attacks that the common script from attacks that you see coming out there is where the initial breach happens, the attacker then moves laterally through the network, and then performs the actual attack, ransomware, data exfil, whatever, and then they're not discovered until the next audit, some 6-8 months later. Zero Trust tries to kind of minimize that kind of attack scenario where you segment away or micro-segment away resources. You do endpoint security. You do strong authentication, both inside the infrastructure, on-prem as well as outside coming in, to kind of limit that lateral movement and make sure that every connection from a client to an enterprise-owned resource is both authenticated and authorized. So the idea is that you want to try, if you don't rely on your perimeter defenses anymore, but you're doing it every step of the way. So there's a little mini perimeter around now every resource and every user. And so that, so you always have total, or at least more knowledge, if not total knowledge of what's going on in your enterprise.